My name is Rosie Blake, otherwise known as Raute Rangatira. The first thing I took up as the Consul General was to call a meeting with the woman I knew. These are the mamas that make it happen. I was part of the group that started the RAC, which is our Religious Advisory Council, because we recognize the importance of church in the community. I also was part of the initiation of our 500 soldiers for the Cook Island Anzac component. Because up until now, we really didn't have a recognition of our 500 soldiers. And that was a big challenge, but it was just one of the most worthwhile exercises that I have ever done. I'm on the E2 Pacifica board, and it's one of the loveliest job or appointment I've had because they do so much work. We've now bought Papa Joe's clinic. It was his dream to have just fully immersed Cook Island doctors, Cook Island nurses, Cook Island staffing. It may not be fully Cook Islands, but Pacific, definitely Pacifica. And we have 3 clinics here in Auckland and 1 in Christchurch. I am a patroness of the Cook Island Women Collective from the South Island to the North Island, and I love that because it keeps me in contact with our women leaders all around New Zealand. As well as that, I am also patron of the Maiwanui. I find that maybe we in the Cook Islands or the ones in the Ipukorea don't realize that the people based overseas are just as passionate about being a Cook Islander there as we are back home. Practically everything we do here is reflective of the love we have for our country. Nō rene o te oke tu te aroa e te perepere kāwana ki tō tātou onongo oru angamatai. Iāku, kua tame tātou ki te tuatou karimanoko ian. And I just want to wish everybody in the Cook Islands a happy 60th celebration. Kia ora ana.